At GBS Dubai, choosing Dubai as a study destination is more than choosing a qualification. This is your entry point to a global education journey, a pathway designed step by step towards a bachelor degree which is recognized worldwide. When you begin your studies here, you're entering what we call GBS Dubai pathway. Dubai is one of the world's fastest growing international education hubs. It brings together cultures, industries, and opportunities, giving students a rich, practical, globally connected learning experience. At GBS Dubai, you study British Pearson qualifications that are recognized worldwide. After completing your first stages here, you can decide where to finish your degree in UAE, Europe, or even in the US with one of our partner GEDU universities around the world. The UK education system is designed step by step. Each level gives you recognized credits and shape your pathway based on your goals. Level 2, foundation or an entry route, pre-university preparation. Level 3, an international extended diploma equivalent to A-levels. Level 4, higher national certificate, the first year of a UK bachelor's degree. Level 5, a higher national diploma, the second year of a UK bachelor's degree. And level 6, the final stage, bachelor's completion with one of our partner GEDU universities around the world. Let me give you an example. A student may begin with a level 3 international extended diploma in business here at GBS Dubai. Then they progress to an HND levels 4 and 5. For the final step, level 6, they may choose to complete their bachelor's degree in the UAE, Europe, Australia, or even in the United States. What makes the GBS Dubai pathway unique? Flexibility. You choose your pace, your subject, and even your study destination. Global opportunities. Begin in Dubai, finish your degree in the UAE, US, Europe, or beyond. Dedicated support from our admissions to visas. Our team guides you at every stage. And along the way, you are supported by our dedicated team with guidance on courses, applications, and even visas. We also offer scholarships, including up to 50% scholarship on your top-up year at GEDU partner universities. At GBS Dubai, we guide you step by step from your very first class to your international graduation. This pathway isn't just about studying, it's about building your future and starting right here in Dubai.